Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a GMC Terrain. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Next, carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan under the engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the old oil. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to completely drain out into the pan. This process usually takes several minutes. Once the oil has finished draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then replace and securely tighten the drain plug. Finally, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and remove it. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill opening. Once the oil is added, replace the cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.